Welcome, my friends. It's that time of year again when the world slows down just a little, when every home glows with warm lights and even the air feels full of memories. Today, I want to tell you a story about how one small Christmas craft brought back the magic of the season. It's a story about love, creativity, and finding joy in simple things, even the pinecones, paper, and twins. Once upon a time, in a small snowy village, there lived a young woman named Emma. She loved Christmas, the sparkle, the laughter, the smell of cinnamon in the air. But this year, things were different. Her town's Christmas festival was cancelled. People were struggling, snow covered the streets, but not many hearts were smiling. Emma sat near her window watching snowflakes dancing, thinking, what if Christmas does not need big lights or expensive gifts? What if a little handmade magic could bring the cheer back? She opened her old craft box. Inside were scrap of fabric, a bit of jute rope, pinecone she had lost fall, and buttons saved from her grandmother's old dress. And then she smiled. Her hands knew what to do. Emma begins walking through the night. She tied jute around pine cones, painted little stars on them, and glued teeny buttons to make faces. Every pine cone looked like a happy caroler singing a Christmas tune. She made garlands from yarn, stars from cardboard, and even a wreath from an old wire hanger and bits of ribbon. Her little home soon looked magical, not perfect, not fancy, but full of love and warmth. When morning came, she hung her handmade wreath on the door with a sign that read, Made with love, not money. A few neighbors walking by stopped and smiled. One said, the beautiful, did you make that yourself? Emma nodded. The old man down the street asked if she could make one of his window. As soon was spread, everyone wanted to learn how to make their own Christmas decoration. The next evening, Emma invited everyone to her small workplace, a cozy corner of her living room with just a table, glue, and bits of craft materials. Children brought drinks and pine needles. Mother brought old fabric and papers. When the men joining cutting star from leftover wood, the room filled with laughter and glowy fingers and the smell of cocoa and cinnamon. Emma said softly, Christmas is not about how much we spend, it's about what we share. And as everyone worked, they realized how beautiful it felt to create something with their own hands. Soon the entire village was glowing. Door covered with handmade wreath, trees decorated with recycled craft, and windows sparkling with paper snowflakes. On Christmas, snow fell thicker than ever. The whole town gathered in the square, now bright with hundreds of handmade decorations. Someone started humming silent nights, and others joined in, their voices blending softly with the sound of falling snow. Emma looked around and saw the faces of her friends and neighbors glowing with happiness. Her heart swelled, a tear rolled down her cheek, not of sadness but of pure joy. That night, no one cared that there were no expensive lights or fancy trees. Every decoration carried a story, a handmade, a handprint, a laugh, and that was worth more than gold. And that's how one little craft saved Christmas in a quiet, snowy village. Emma did not just create wreath or ornaments, she wove together hearts. So this Christmas, maybe you to contrast something small and handmade, a jute star, a pinecone angles, or a wreath from old ribbon, because the magic of Christmas does not come from the store, it's come from your hands, your hearts, and your home. Remember, every handmade piece carries love, and that love is what truly lights up Christmas. Hope you like the video. If you like, so please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more amazing updates and amazing videos. Thanks for watching video till the end. Stay tuned with us. Share with your friends and family, and post your valuable comments. Thanks.